How do you teach kids to believe in themselves? You model it first. If you put people in a safe place and you're consistent about who you are, then you make it possible for other people to also get curious about who they are. Boxing is a really unique sport. In our club, we tried to target social emotional needs in a couple of different ways. Our goal was just to provide a safe place for people to train, get curious about boxing. It was a one day at a time situation, community-based solutions. When we started the club, it was in 2021. We weren't allowed to do organized sports for the first half. So that's when I started thinking, okay, let's get creative. Let's do boxing. I know that I can bring that to campus. I could bring my law education to help figure out how we can work with the regulations and honor them. Providing the opportunity on campus allowed for some students that wouldn't normally get involved to start thinking about it. My hope is that they realize that they're now somebody that's been empowered with all this knowledge.
So I learned about the boxing club through Coach Daysi, and one thing I love about it is I get to reconnect with my friends and we get to train together. I see Coach Daysi as an older sibling. I love boxing club. Shout out Coach Daysi.
Boxing definitely improves your academic output. Not only were students, starting to make sure they fulfill their classroom obligations during the day so they can have the opportunity to participate in the club, but we saw a lot of students giving back. And I actually think that that's what made a big difference on campus, and that's what actually improved their perspective on, what is education to me? The CFP Legacy Award is gonna dramatically change the students, the club, and the community. Not only is it gonna provide the much needed resources that we were missing when we first started the club, it's gonna make our club sustainable. We have a mission statement, and our mission statement is create pathways for future collegiate boxers. We're gonna be able to do exactly that. This deserves to be a sustainable situation for our community, and because of the CFP Legacy Grant, it will be.